I run for one, like him run for one police or some people. When I know or something people, but the man say man does a dip through in the traffic and still a woman come bump in a bomber, two Uber my youth, slam up your Uber round one part. This me I say, the man say yo in swearing neck broke. The man say swearing neck broke everything, thief out people. The man say only thing he remember to bombard in the in an ambulance. So you find yourself with 40,000 US in your pocket from a lawsuit where you get. If you mean, I think if you go back to Jamaica, if you go home, you see me I say, remember you're not straight, you're illegal. So you have a choice right now with the lawsuit money. And when time you live with your family, then remember your family them when you live with before you get the lawsuit money. Before you obtain the lawsuit money, we they used to treat you. You feel me? I say, remember say you have to do little work here and there just to get a little piece of food. You see me? I say if you pay bills and then know that half a time, sometimes when you forward home, you then lock the door, you can't go in. Sometimes when you go in, when time then cook your food in a house, you feel me? I say then cook for them and them man and them rest of kids and all these things. The auntie and her husband. You see me? I say, and when time you forget a thing now, it's like the husband have a basement. You see me? I say, where they lock away food. Like a storage food, them like a food in a deep freeze and all them thing there. You say, yo, then cook. And the man clean up the kitchen and put away food and know say you are coming in a night for a little construction work where you do. I get a little chirp. You see me? I say, and you are going on some food and then put away food and when I ask the auntie where food there. You see me? I say, the man a jump up. Oh, in clean up the place and lock it way down in lock away everything in a storage and all them thing there and I put in a deep freeze and all them thing the people. Them their life a whole heap of people go through in America. You see me? I say, sometimes when you go through go America and them same family there. We convince and tell us, say, oh, come stay by me, man, stay here. Because sometimes when you just forward in America, you know, and you have a little piece of money in your pocket, you go up on a visiting and we have a little piece of money in your pocket. Them same family that we see with $2,000-$3,000 in your pocket and then get long year fight. You see me, them a try convince you to stay. They want to bring you here, they want to bring you there for you buy and spend out everything. Them a treat you good. Yeah, man, you can stay with me. As the money start go down now, they start show you a long face. They want you to come out of them place. You see me, I say people. And right now we have Dwight. Dwight people. Dwight is a youth way. You feel me? In go America, good years now. Good years, but for some reason, you know, a lot of people go to America and still never obtain them citizenship or residency or for whatever reason, people. But Dwight still there in America survive. You know survival? Yeah. Because remember, Jamaican, you know, most Jamaican, you know, we know if you survive anywhere you put it. You see me? If you put it in a desert, somehow we can sell back his sand to a desert just to survive. You see me? And Dwight, they're the people and the man in America much in years now a bounce around, in bounce around this, so him stay from here to there. Him struggle sometimes, he sleep in a car, he sleep in a this, and I even feel him carrying like him friend them car. He can't go in a house, so then we just say, yo, go on, burn off in a car and them thing there. You see me and say people so man move around. Get in the correct. So you know, so now when he go up on the auntie ends now, I remember, you know, them do I have a little piece of change in his pocket. You feel me I say? When you see up on him, I look place with it. But at the time when he go up on the auntie ends, them like them bills they pile up and all them things. And they say, no man, you can stay, come stay right around. I say, man, you know, we can part of one part there. So in a living room to all set up and we have one part where you can sleep. They get to me and say, people, yeah, you can sleep. They say, but you auntie I say, yo, come stay, man. And you know, do I say, all right, boom, you have a piece of food, you help them out with grocery, and do this, and do everything they nice. You feel me? I say, and it always be like this. The man where auntie, where woman always have in her house, sometime him nah guarantee nothing, he nah go on with nothing. You get to me? I say, people, he nah go on with nothing. So everything do I have to do. Sometimes do I have when he did them, do I have to clean up a place here, clean up a basement, clean up this, clean up that. As a big man, you see me? I say, as a big adult, because do it about 29. You see it? So the man did the same way and you know him face is struggling, face a whole heap of bad treatment to them give him and all them things there in America people. You see me? And now, him a think about if him fi go back to Jamaica. You see me? I say, you can't study and think that right now. You know, see what I go on? Everybody I left America right now. You feel me? I say, everybody go to America, go get them fair share of America. Some get through and some just do not get through. Some never work out for them. And the time to America go on right now, people, when I say America now go come back in a good state, a place where you can go back and enjoy yourself again and relax without stress free. You see me? I say, but right now, people, it's not the time. And if you watch social media and watch everywhere, YouTube and all these places, and you go over TikTok, you see everybody I make videos. I see them left America, they're moving back home to Jamaica, them going back home to Jamaica. Why is that? Why is that? Even American, them a move out, them a left up, them a lift up, them a give up them passport, I go live in a different country. You see me, them a go to Thailand, them a go to some different place go live, my friend. So, you know make sense, you stay there and you're illegal in a country, and if you come up on a piece of money, where you know say, yeah, you see me? And a lot of people are go through this, as me always come over here and talk, a lot of people are thinking in their mind what to do, what is the next stage is. You feel me? I say some of them stay there, then they have a little piece of money where they could have started a little business, but then stay there till they get deported. You feel me? People, you're not understanding of people. You say once you go in America, you can't stop. No, once you're not going to America and go to jail, you can't stop go to jail. You just coming like that, seal upon your deal, my friend. You get what I say? Alright, for instance, people, look on the artist, I don't know if no one know him, Flipper Mafia, and change his name to Flipper Magla. Remember him knows the flossing man, him spend how much money at Jamaica, but the thing with Flipper Mafia never did want to eat that. You see me, I say, when India make food in America, you see me, I say, in build up much big house at Jamaica. I think he have house at Oakland, much, and them man the first job, be a Porsche and big car on the island and all them thing, the Bentley, and them something there. And them the thing the man used to drop down on the island, people. You see me, I say, I remember, say, Flipper Mafia, they get bust in a federal big case. Go do some time in a prison. He come out back out at halfway house, whole heap of thing he achieve when me see him post sitting with the house, saying buy one new house, people. And now we are sitting on the Jamaican news, everybody a post right now, Flipper Mafia gone back in a jail for drug charges. Drug charges, them say them are watching from 20-25 people. So you come back out and I try to tell you enough of old people them stuck in our old mentality and feel like say, yo, right now you can still in America and I sell drugs and I do all them things they still are gonna work and all these things. Drugs game done, my friend. If you're not the social media marketing or something right now, people, you know that is the fastest way and the easiest, best money you can get right now, close to the drugs money, better than the drugs money. You see me I say? So Flipper Mafia now, the man come out there and the man they are working I think a grocery and the man do everything, people, but the man does know say and I quiet is like a dog. Me no know people because I never listen full case situation yet. You see me? But all them time that you get a chance to come back out America and it's like you did upon probation and all these things, and apparently you must clear up your probation and all them things there. You have your house at Jamaica, you have everything, but everybody want to size up in America, want to live back in the same community. You want to see them people, them will inform upon you, where you see them people, them once you go through with feds and do all these times in a prison, as a kingpin drugs deal, like the eyes are go always upon you. You see you go to prison one day and you come home, you're picking them big and some of them are going to die, they don't even know you no more. You see me I say, and you still come back and go to jail. That's what America do to your people. You see me I say, that is why a lot of people are pack up and move and leave America right now, because all America bring to you right now is stress, jail, and problem go with the stress. You see me I say? Most people go to America in them good name, with them good things. You have people that go to America, people. Them go to America, you know, and them wasn't a bad boy, them wasn't in a crime, them wasn't in a violence. You get to me, I say, them go up as a good Samaritan. But when time they go to Jamaica now and go up in a certain circle and they run a certain circle now, as a Jamaican now, they want to act like them tough and them this and them that. You see me, I say, they want to try a whole heap of thing. You see me? Where you know, say you never usually, and if when you grow up in Jamaica, you would never do that. You see me? But now you come in and people, them country, you see game, it look loose, it look easy, but it's a trap. Especially now is a different time. With AI right now, everybody can get busted right now, my friend. You get me, I say, people? With AI right now, everybody can get busted. You see me? So, right now, if you have the opportunity, I'm going to tell you about this youth now. So, him get a lawsuit. You feel me? I say, him get a lawsuit of a car accident. Oh, God love him, because we straight from film story, but we go back to him right now. You see me? I say, remember him, the American, they are going to face his stress, his struggle, and everything. You get me? I say, people? Face his stress and his struggle and everything, people, till the last time something happened with him and his boyfriend. Big thing and the anti-picky boyfriend, which you feel me, a man, so you feel, and put him on, she say, yo, then the man say, yo, then put him out in a cool, my friend. The man now, no way if he bombard, go to bombard. You see me, I say? No way. The man say, I want to look at old woman, no, she not that old, you know. You feel me, I say, she was the supervisor upon the construction site with them there work. You feel me, I say? I remember my work at construction site and I tell because he have the papers. You feel me? And it's like she and him used to good and reason. Sometimes she used to bring her lunch con him. You feel me? I say one time man say when time them put him out in a coal and the first bite a bunny and he have no way figure, my friend. I woman in call. You see me I say? I woman in call. And the woman come pick him up, bring him in the house. Put him down on the basement. You feel me? I say spread out and sit in the game, blanket and everything when you can sleep and get a nice little night rest right there. So and a eater. You feel me? I say man say yo two man hand numb up and freeze up and he have any gloves on his hand and he have a jacket and he gonna freeze and can't believe say and even put him out for that. You see me? I say just because you feel me in the have about 150. In a part, which part he must stay in a house and he left his money there. But the man say, no, and sure, no, say, I uncle do it, the auntie man. Lift up his money. You see me, I say, gone with it, because the dog love play dice. He play dice, whole heap, gamble. And I come like, that's why auntie them never have no money. You see me, and the man gamble hard, and it's like he take up money and him approach him and ask him about the money and big thing come out, and man put him out and say, yo, you accuse him, man, your husband, and blah, 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 and the man take him money. So a man come out and a woman live in a woman basement. Is it? Live in a woman basement and all them things there. So one thing go happen with the uncle and now to bombard, him go do something, some assault over in a gamble house and ray. If he may say and he lock up, then he get arrested and in a jail for about 2 weeks. You see me? So now a dog stays and now buff people. A auntie again, you know, she there upon her work and he needs to come off for school, if you go pick up his niece and all them things there. You see me as a people, nobody know that if you pick up the seed, so a man stays, so boom. Make a woman call a Uber for him. You see me I say? Go to school, carry pick in her home, wait till the auntie come from work. Man say even tree and nothing with the auntie. Wait till the auntie come from work. See me I say try niece and all them things there. If me I say people, so in cousin you mean. Try cousin in the stay, so boom man, do what you have to do kind like you look cousin. Bring over picking the weight, this, that, make some ramen noodles, give picking if you eat and all them things there. Set up a TV, watch a cartoon and all them things there, sit down and I easy back. You see me I say on him phone, so when they stay so now both people, take a minute now, auntie come, so you know, call back the woman and the woman send back a Uber right there, so feel. You get to me I say people, no way. Man dead there now. Auntie come and the man tell auntie gone. He don't have up in a 80 auntie, but he does know if the way she cheating people. You see me I say, but if I tell me I hate my friend. I tell her, girl, me don't like if you do with that. You see me, but the way she treat him, make him man decide, say, you're watching the people. Me I go cut them off. So, you know, when the Uber come now, and he jump in a Uber car now, and I go back over to the house, where I stay with the big woman. You see me? People, as the man say, as in stay, so I'm not driving a Uber, and the Uber driver grown on one part, people. You know people is like one car. I run for one, like him run for one police or some people. When I know something people, but the man say man does a dip through in the traffic and stay, so woman come, in a bomba, Uber, my youth. Slam up the Uber around one part. This me I say, the man say, yo, in swearing neck broke. The man say, swearing neck broke everything, thief out people. The man say, only thing he remember to bombard in the in an ambulance stretcher with thing around his neck. So, you feel me? I say, and he scare move and a fall in straight. And then when he stays, so the next thing you remember in a hospital in there and see police side, I take statement. You dig? Yeah. So when you check out, you know, people, you know what they know. Lawsuit come up now, people. Lawsuit. Be a liar, contact him, man. You get to me, I say? Be a liar, contact him, man. Me bombard. People. A man stays so now. Gather up everything. File a lawsuit. Fast forward. 18 months out there. Still I go through a look up pain and show with the woman and look out for him and all them same thing. Them people them never deal with him like how I'm supposed to deal. So woman him a deal with now. And the man saying bill pan the woman ends and the woman know a lawsuit a go on. Woman not give him no problem, he never pay no bills like that. When he do a look of work and give her money for buy grocery, that's it. 18 months he wait. You feel me? I say face is struggle. Now, in get the lawsuit now. In family find out saying get the lawsuit now. 40,000 or something like that, people. You get to me, I say? After 18 months, everything comes. Settlement and re. Get the lawsuit now. Man say, yo, right, as in get the lawsuit. The man say, first money you take out a lawsuit. You feel me? I say, when time in clear up your money. First $5,000 in take a woman in a house. $5,000 and give her fiber. They say all that and still help her out with some little thing. So you have your money now, people, and they know say you have your money. You see me can pick up in little cousin and look out for you, but you have your money now and you feel me and say people, them a pressure him and tell him say, oh, he can come back and then we clear out the basement, give him and all them things that he will live in a basement good and can just go and maintain down this and all them things that's all along on the care of the basement. So now he have your money and he must study you. So wait him for him a move back to Jamaica with the money. You see me and him tell me, I say, brother, better you go to Jamaica, my friend. You feel me? I say, remember, say you're illegal, you know, no papers, you know, this, you know, that. For some reason, I don't know how you know obtain no papers and all these things, you know. You feel me? I say, you probably can get married, but not right now, in these times. You can't get married in these times. So my thing is, you have the $40,000, you probably about 30,000 or 30,000 right now. You see me? I say, you have the money there right now, people. Don't make ice, wait for ice, hold if you got immigration, jail, go spin up that. You feel me? I say, a lot of people are moved that are first thing coming in your mind. So you move back to Jamaica and you say, yeah, do it. So me I go watch and see. You feel me? I say, nobody can tell you what you doing, my friend, but you see me, remember treatment where you go through and remember say Jamaica, that can bring you far away. Remember say you have a ski house down at Jamaica in a Portmore. You have a ski house at Portmore. So all you have to do, go down there and fix up your ski house, my friend. With the bombard 30,000, you can use 10,000 out of that and buy a car, my friend. A Jamaica, you know. You see me? So a lot of people we get to understand say move back, rush back to Jamaica people. You feel me? I say film story now reason why I'm plan to go back actually and get the lawsuit money. But it's still there kind of if and but. You see it? Yeah, man, if and but and think if him figure out Jamaica. You see people and me I say, yo, better you go on to Jamaica with the money. Brawling, better you go on to Jamaica with the money, my friend. Because so family and friends stay. You see it, when you have your own God work out in the way there, so you get the lawsuit there, you never dead in a Uber and all them things there, and you never get crashed when time you look at cousin did in the video. Remember you alone the night with the driver. So a God work out it. Yeah. So people, we know we see these videos going around, a lot of people are planning to move in back and a lot of people are running away from America. If Americans ain't doing it, why are you waiting on? You feel me? I say, like me say, you can't just give America a break, you know. You feel me? You can't just give America, somehow have a citizenship on all these things. Want them with their citizenship. When you can't go to Jamaica, breeze out or whatever country you come from for at least 1, 3, 4 years till the bombardment they gone out of power and watch you see if America come back, because America is not America anymore. And we all know that everything there and costly. And everything right now is jail and lock up and frustration and stress. You feel me? I say, your country is probably the only place people are going to recognize and treat you good right now. So don't stay in there. Don't stay in there, I push this. Do not wait till you are 70 years old. Figure say you are going to enjoy your life. You feel me? Do it right now. Your mind I tell us to go, go. And people may sit down outside right now just enjoy nice breeze, freedom. You feel me? I say more than lock up in a jail. And all these things, I hear bird chirping, I hear like the ocean breeze and all these things around you. You get to me I say? Are surrounded by the palm tree. It's a wonderful feeling. And it's good to be alive. You feel me? So guys, don't just subscribe to the channel. Please do it right, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell. Feel me? Check out all the link in the description, people. Check out my course, how to grow on YouTube. Please. And check out my Shopify store. I know you guys see it. Let's buy a product and support. Feel me? Spotitdon TV, man. I'm out.